Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to remove your Microsoft account on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. To remove your Microsoft account and switch to a local account on your Windows 11 operating system, first open the Settings app. Click on the Accounts section. In this menu, you will see your email ID displayed, indicating that you are currently logged in with your Microsoft account. To proceed, click on the Your Info option. Under Account Settings, you will find an option labeled Sign in with a local account instead. Click on this option to begin switching to a local account. A prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to switch to a local account. Your email ID will be displayed as a reference. Click on the Next button to continue. You will be required to provide your Windows PIN, the same one you created when setting up your Microsoft account. Enter your PIN and then click on OK. Next, you will need to set up a password for your new local account. This password will not be linked to your Microsoft account and will be used for offline access. Enter your desired password, confirm it by typing it again, and provide a password hint. Once done, click on the Next button. At this point, a final confirmation screen will appear, reminding you to save any unsaved work. This screen will indicate that you are about to be signed out of your Microsoft account and that your new local account will be active the next time you log in. Click on the Sign Out and Finish button to complete the process. Your computer will sign you out of the Microsoft account. When you reach the login screen, you will now see your local account name instead of the one linked to your Microsoft account. Enter the password you just set up for your local account and click on Submit. Once logged in, you can verify the switch to a local account by reopening the Settings app. In the Accounts section, you will see that it now says Local Account instead of displaying your email ID. Additionally, you will see an option under Rewards to sign in, indicating that you are no longer logged into a Microsoft account. If you click on the Your Info section again, you will notice the option to sign in with a Microsoft account instead. This confirms that you are now logged in with your local account. If needed, you can add a Microsoft account again and switch back at any time. This completes the process of switching from a Microsoft account to a local account on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.